Router tables transformed the handheld router into a versatile stationary machine. Now MortiseMatch does the same thing for your domino joiner. Woodpecker's new MortiseMatch simplifies all types of frame construction with the domino joiner. It lets you precisely locate mortises in either square or mitered stock that is too narrow to use the regular domino methods. This 45-degree mitered frame, for example. If I index off the flap, the mortise is too close to the inside corner of the miter. Here's the center of the cutter, and the edge of the mortise would be out here in space. And it's hard to feel when the domino is perfectly flat on narrow or molded material. On the MortiseMatch table, the protractor fence can be adjusted to put the mortise right where you want it. Slide the stainless steel reference arm against the indexing flap when you have the fence right where you want it. Now, after you cut the first mortise on each workpiece, flip the protractor fence over and position it against the other indexing flap. Cut the second mortise on each piece of your frame. And you're done. The protractor fence adjusts anywhere between 90 and 45 degrees. So this same procedure works on any number of sides. Mounting the domino to the MortiseMatch couldn't be simpler. Just bolt the carriage to your domino frame using the two threaded holes in the base. Drop the carriage sleeves onto the rods and install the stop. The carriage adjusts to locate the center of the mortise anywhere between 6 millimeters and 30 millimeters. That means you can locate a mortise in the center of stock from a 1/2 inch thick to over 2 inches thick. Standard Festool style track clamps fit the grooves in the table to provide versatile clamping of your material. And if your project calls for a mortise in a larger piece of stock while you're using MortiseMatch, you don't even have to take the carriage off to use it as a handheld domino. Just unscrew the retaining bolt and lift it off. You'll get so much more out of your domino once you have MortiseMatch in your shop. You'll have better control on smaller material, and even on projects where you could use your domino by hand, MortiseMatch speeds up the process and takes the weight of the machine off your hands. The same MortiseMatch fits both the Domino XL DF700 and the original Domino DF500. Order yours today.